If you still haven't ordered one of these vacuum cleaners yet, then what are you even doing? They are over 50% off. There are 5 color options. And if you click on the little orange shopping cart at the bottom of this video, you get an extra 15% off of the already super sale price. She handles my mountains of dog hair like a pro, and I love that it has that light on it so I can see exactly what I'm picking up and if I left anything behind. Spoiler alert, it never does. I can't believe they're letting us buy these at this price point right now, and it's not going to last very long. It can literally get under anything. I don't have to move furniture, which is my favorite part about this. Grab it while it's still at this price point because you're going to be mad when you can't grab it.